How to use castor oil for acne. Ever since the time of the ancient Egyptians, castor oil has been revered for its medicinal properties. Used throughout history to address a wide range of health problems, castor oil is most famous today for treating skin conditions, relieving constipation, promoting hair growth and inducing labor. One of castor oil's major skincare benefits is its ability to help treat acne. If you want to learn about castor oil for acne. Acne is a common skin condition in which accumulated impurities cause the skin to become inflamed and irritated. It is common among adolescents, although it can affect all age groups. Symptoms of acne include the appearance of blackheads, whiteheads, pinheads, and pimples, and scaly red skin. Severe acne can lead to permanent scarring of the skin. Many remedies are currently used to treat acne, including medications containing benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid. Laser surgery can also be done to reduce scars left behind by acne. If you want to try a natural remedy, however, you can use castor oil for acne. When castor oil is used for acne, it draws dirt out of the skin, as well as bacteria, dead skin cells and excess oils. It does not clog pores and helps cleanse the skin, since it has the ability to deeply penetrate the skin and target most of the causes of acne. This makes it one of the best natural remedies for acne. How to use castor oil for acne. If you want to try a castor oil for acne treatment, here are the steps you need to follow. Prepare a towel and a pot of steaming water. Hold the towel over your head and lean your face over the steaming water. This will open up your pores so that the castor oil can penetrate your skin. After a few minutes, moisten the washcloth with lukewarm water and apply a dime-sized amount of castor oil to the damp cloth. Using the washcloth, gently rub castor oil into the acne-affected areas using circular motions. Allow the castor oil to remain on your skin overnight. In the morning, remove the castor oil from your skin by using a damp towel. Rinse the skin with cold water. Warm water opens up your pores, and cold water shrinks your pores after acne treatment. Pat your skin dry and apply facial cleanser to wash away the remaining castor oil. This castor oil for acne remedy is best done over a period of 10 to 14 days. You should do this before you go to sleep at night. To use castor oil as a preventative treatment for acne, follow this process once or twice a week.